Standard 6th, Maths, Chapter 2, Angle. What is an angle? An angle is a shape formed by two arms or rays diverging from a common point. What are the parts of an angle? First, vertex of the angle. The vertex is the common point at which the two rays are joined. Here, the vertex is point Y. Arms of the angle. The arms are the two rays which meet at the vertex. Here, arm YP and arm YR. Name of the angle. To name an angle, the vertex should be in the middle and the other 2 points will be at the corners. Here, the angle name is angle PYR. Types of angles: 0-degree angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Activity time. Take 2 matchsticks. Now we will study types of angles in detail. In figure A, the two sticks lie one upon the other. There is no change in their position. In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Now, keeping one stick in place, turn the other one around as shown in the figure. The angle formed in figure B is an acute angle. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. The angle formed in figure C is a right angle. An angle of 90 degree is called a right angle. The angle formed in figure D is an obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. If the stick is turned further in the direction shown in figure D, we get a position as in figure E. An angle like this is called a straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. If the stick is turned even further as shown in figure E, we get an angle like the one in figure F. This angle is greater than 180 degree. Such an angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. The stick in figure F completes one round and comes back to its original position as in figure G. It turned through 180 degree till it made a straight angle and 180 degree after making the straight angle, thus completing 360 degree in all. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. The measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. Let's see different types of angles in real life. What type of angle do you see in this picture? Look at the arms of the clock. The first arm, which is at 2 is at higher position. Then the second arm, which is at 7, is at lower position. That means this is an example of reflex angle. What type of angle do you see in this picture? Look at the beak of the bird. The difference between the upper part and the lower part is less than 90 degree. That means this is an example of an acute angle. What type of angle do you see in this picture? Look at the hand fan. The difference between the top strap and the lower strap is more than 90 degree. That means this is an example of an obtuse angle. Get to know your compass box. How to draw an angle bisector using a compass. Draw an angle ABC of any measure. Now place the point of a compass on point B and with any convenient distance. Draw an arc to cut rays BA and BC. Name the points of intersection as P and Q respectively. Now place the point of the compass at P and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside the angle using the same distance. Draw another arc inside the angle from the point Q to cut the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as point O. Now draw ray BO. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. To construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle using a compass and ruler. Look at the given angle ABC in the figure alongside. Draw angle PQR equal in measure to angle ABC. Draw ray QR. Place the compass point at vertex B of angle ABC and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc to cut the rays BA and BC at points D and E respectively. Using the same distance again, place the compass point at point Q of ray QR and draw an arc. Let this arc cut the ray QR at T. Now place the point of the compass at point E and open the compass to a distance equal to DE. Using the distance equal to DE, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at S. Draw the ray QS. Take any point P on ray QS. Using a protractor, verify that the angle PQR so formed is of the same measure as angle ABC.